Imagine a tool that revolutionizes the way you work with wood, combining power, precision, and safety while being incredibly easy to use. This tool exists. This is the VONROC 1700W miter saw, a true technological gem designed for both DIY enthusiasts and demanding professionals. If you are interested, feel free to click on the link in the description now to learn more about these unique features. See hundreds of reviews from very satisfied customers and order yours today. This miter saw is the ideal tool for passionate DIY enthusiasts and professionals seeking precision and efficiency in their furniture making or woodcutting projects. Its ease of use and advanced features make it a preferred choice for those who want to achieve flawless work with a reliable and safe tool. From the very first uses, you will understand that this miter saw is not an ordinary tool. Its 216mm blade with 40 teeth already mounted on the machine is ready to make quick and clean cuts in wood, particle boards, slats, or even beams effortlessly at an impressive speed of 4,900 revolutions per minute. Each cut is of unmatched precision, thanks in part to its integrated laser. The latter, clearly visible under its protective cover, guides your work for ultimate precision, transforming every project into a work of art. But VONROC doesn't stop there. The miter saw is designed to be your best ally in furniture making or baseboard cutting. Its depth adjustment allows you to cut your pieces to the same depth with remarkable ease, making it ideal for creating notches or precise joints. This means less time spent on adjustments and more time to unleash your creativity. 1000. And guess what? You can own this product with just one click on the link in the description and see hundreds of extremely satisfied customer reviews. Safety is a priority for VONROC. The electric motor brake of this saw is an invaluable guarantee of safety. As soon as you release the power button, the blade stops quickly, thereby reducing the risk of workplace accidents. This detail, which may seem minor, is actually fundamental for working with confidence. That's not all. This miter saw comes with a complete set of accessories to maximize your working experience. In addition to the saw blade, you will find in the packaging 2 table extensions to support long pieces of wood, a work clamp to securely hold your work, and an Allen key for easy blade changes. Everything has been designed so that you can start working immediately without any hassle. VONROC is not only synonymous with quality, but also with environmental responsibility. This radial miter saw is delivered in eco-friendly packaging without unnecessary color printing, highlighting the brand's commitment to the planet. By choosing VONROC, you are doing more than just purchasing a miter saw. You are investing in a tool designed in the Netherlands according to high-quality standards by a team of passionate specialists and engineers. You are joining a community of DIY enthusiasts and professionals who demand the best for their projects. For those ready to take their DIY or construction projects to the next level, the VONROC miter saw is the top choice. Its combination of power, precision, and safety, not to mention its ease of use, makes it an indispensable tool for all your projects. So don't miss the opportunity to click on the link in the description to order it now and revolutionize your daily life. Now let's recap its advantages as well as its disadvantages. Advantage number 1. High power of 1700 watts. Allows for easy cutting of different types of materials, providing great flexibility in projects. Advantage number 2, integrated laser, helps improve the accuracy of cuts by providing a clear visual guide. Advantage number 3, brake, electric motor, increases safety by quickly stopping the blade when the start-stop button is released. Advantage number 4, ease of blade change. Thanks to the included Allen key, changing the blade is simplified, reducing downtime. Advantage number 5, complete accessories. The included table extensions and workpiece clamp enhance the support and stability of the pieces being worked on. Advantage number 6, robust construction. The aluminum design ensures durability and reliability. Now let's move on to a few drawbacks. Disadvantage number 1, weight of 8.5 kg. It may be considered heavy for some users, making transportation less convenient. Disadvantage number 2, requires a power source. Its use depends on the availability of an electrical outlet, which can limit mobility. So if you are looking for the tool that will transform the way you work with wood, look no further. The VONROC miter saw is what you need to order at the best price 2009. Learn more about the product and discover the hundreds of reviews from satisfied customers. Click on the link in the description. Don't miss this opportunity to take your projects to the next level. Thank you for your attention, and I hope to see you very soon.